Hello and welcome to my Smart Doorbell project overview for my ENME 489Y remote sensing class. The goals of this project were to be able to detect a person who is approaching your door and to alert the user of this person's presence through both text and email. Also to upload a video of the intruder to Dropbox. You can see to my left here the hardware that was used for this project. We have a Raspberry Pi 4 and an attached Raspberry Pi camera module. So first let's take a look at what the Raspberry Pi camera can actually see from its current position. We'll save the image using Raspberry Still to a file, then we'll open that file. And from this we can see that the camera sees a good portion of the yard, as well as the driveway and a little bit of the road behind the driveway. It also has a big section of the sliding glass door and some curtains that are part of the image. But obviously for our detection algorithm, we really only care about finding a person who's walking to the door. So that means along the sidewalk, and we want to ignore other parts of the image such as the yard. So what we want to do is remove parts of the photos using a mask. Here you can see once again the original photo that we had, and we'll be applying a mask to it so that we only care about these certain regions of interest where a person might be walking. So here you can see that it's mostly just right where the pathway is and just in front of the door. Then we'll gray that, convert it to grayscale, just to reduce the processing time for each image. Now the detection algorithm relies on taking two photos back to back and then comparing those two photos to see if enough pixels have changed between the two images. So now we'll demonstrate the functionality of the Smart Doorbell script, and to do so I've recruited my sister to walk around outside my house. So here we go. I'll start by running the script, and now we'll pan over to outside where my sister is standing at the edge of the picture frame where it is masked off so that we don't fire and say that we think that there's someone in the region of interest. So notice how it still has detected no intruder, but as she walks closer into the region of interest, then the script will begin to take notice. And that's proven here where Smart Doorbell says it has detected something. And so she'll continue to walk, and this will continue to take a video. Now once the video has been captured, it now begins to upload it to Dropbox. And then after that, it will send an email and then notify us that the email has been delivered. And finally, it will send a text message. So you can see that it sent us a text message saying that Smart Doorbell has detected something just now. And we can also check our email and see that we have a new email with various pictures and videos, or pictures of what it captured. Here we go. Here we have one of the images. We have the image that it was compared to, that it's slightly different from. We have the masked and gray image. We have the masked and gray image of the one it was compared to. And then the masked but not yet grayed image, along with the one it was compared to. Finally, we can check Dropbox, and we'll see that just now something was added, so we can check it. And in fact, it is a video as she was approaching the doorway.